Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on measuring your blood oxygen on Huawei Fit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the watch's side button to open the app menu. Then tap on SpO2. Now tap Measure. Keep still while the watch measures. When it's done measuring, you will see the result here. You can tap the eye to see more information about blood oxygen. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei tips and tricks.